Example on decimal. Find the exact value of. We have 0.432 times 0.02 divided by 0.024. So this is from an old CFEC past paper. Alright. It did not say you should or may not use a calculator, but what you can do is work it out. See if you can work it out without a calculator, even though they did not forbid you from doing so. And let me see what you will get when you're finished. So pause the video and work it out. Alright, you're done. So I had asked you to try and work it out without a calculator. So let's see if we can do that. We have 0.432. If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, what we would get, or by 1,000 I should say, what we would get is 0.0432 would become 0, not 0. It would become 432 times 0.02 divided by 24. That is what it would become. Alright? Because we multiplied 0.432 by 1,000, but not the 0.02. So the 0.02 remains where it is. So let's see what happened so far. Remember, you could do it without a calculator. They didn't stop you from doing that. But let's have a little fun by doing it without a calculator. So if we say 4 into 24 is what? 12? 2 into 24 I mean is 12. 2 into 4, 32 would be what? 2 into 4 is 2 times. 2 into 3 is 1 time. Leave 1. 2 into 12 is 6. Something like that. We could divide again. 2 into 12 goes 6. 2 into 2, 16 is what? 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 0 we can't. 2 into 16, 8, 108. We could still divide by 2. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 180 is what? It's going to be 54. Is that so? 50 by 2 is 100. 4 2 is 8. Alright. Now, can we divide 3 into 54? 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 5 is what? 1 time. Remainder 2. 3 into 24, 8. Alright? So we kept dividing by 2, but you could have divided by 4 if you wanted, or if you remember that 24 goes into 432 18 times, you could do that. So we've gotten rid of the denominator. We have 18 here. So we have 18 times 0.02. Alright? So just to backtrack, remember what we did here was to multiply numerator and denominator by 1,000. So we would have 0.432 times 1,000 times 0.02 over 0.024 times 1,000. So we multiply that by 1,000. So this becomes 432 and this becomes 24. Alright? You can see that. And then we divided down and saw that what you get was that 432. It was without a calculator. So we said 432 divided by 24 give you 18. Now, 18 multiplied by 0.02, what is that? You would have 18. If you multiply this, if you multiply, say, 18 times 0.02, if you should multiply 0.02 by 100, what you would get is 2. So we note that 18 was multiplied by 100. So by 0.02 was multiplied by 100. So we have 18 times 2 would give you 36. But now we need to compensate for what we did earlier by dividing back by the 100. So 36 divided by 100 is equal to 0.36. Alright, so that would be the final answer. But anyway, they did not tell us not to use a calculator. So let's just go right ahead and use our calculator. Where's my calculator? Alright, I have my calculator here. 0.432. And remember, it's good to practice these things without a calculator. It builds up your calculation skills. But anyway, we multiply 0.432 by 0.02 equals that, and then divide by 0.024, and what we get is 0.36. we get the same 0.36. Alright, so that's it for now. We will continue doing maths in the next video.